Bro, never use this to strangers. But today's phrase is this one. お前マジで? Omae simply means you. Majide means seriously. So this simply means you seriously. And you can use this one as one phrase. Or you can also continue to say something after that. Yeah, I gotta remember this shit for real, man. Let me show you out some examples real quick. When your friend is in a jail and he dropped a soap in the shower, right? Then you can say, お前マジで? Are you serious? お前マジで? Next example. When your friend ate something so gross and you want to say, bitch, did you seriously eat that? And you can say, お前マジでそれ食ったの? So say it with me. お前マジでそれ食ったの? お前マジでそれ食ったの? それ means that. 食った is just a casual way to say 食べた, which means ate. No is just there as a questioning particle. The last example. When your bitch ass friend being so scared to do something, right? And you want to say, are you seriously scared right now? And you can say, お前マジでビビってんの? ビビってん is just casualer version of ビビってる, which is the ongoing version of ビビる, which means to be scared or to be chickened. So remember this. お前マジで